In this video, we're going to share the best kept secrets for how to use peel and stick tiles.
Welcome to our channel.
We're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple.
Peel and stick is actually a beginner-friendly, budget-friendly DIY product.
So let's get into it.
Peel and stick can easily go on 3 types of subfloors: plywood, concrete, or vinyl.
If you are going to stick it directly on something that is wood, make sure it doesn't have certain chemicals in it, because that will
React to the adhesive.
So this is the underlayment that we use that was recommended by the manufacturer, so you can have a good adhesion. If you're doing a quick update and you have like an outdated vinyl flooring like we had, it is great to stick it over existing vinyl floors. It's like you have a waterproof underlayment subfloor.
It really sticks well on other vinyl flooring. If you install peel and stick flooring correctly, you have to clean the surface before you lay it down.
Yes, it's so important to get any grease, residue, dust, particles, anything before you put peel and stick down.
You may have to cut away ripped pieces of vinyl to create a flat surface. There are products that can help patch or repair your subfloor if it's in poor condition.
For peel and stick to work best, it needs a clean, level, and dry surface.
Peel and stick has so many options. For us, it is the most affordable, transformative DIY product out in the market today, hands down.
Hey guys, you can go to our channel and check out the peel and stick playlist on the playlist tab.
And you'll see all of the projects we did with peel and stick. And we've used peel and stick tiles in all sorts of things. We have used even several different brands of peel and stick.
We were glad to find out that peel and stick didn't require any power tools. Since we already had a box cutter and straight edge, we picked up some heavy duty cleaner and products for grouting.
What is so nice is that you can update your floors without spending a lot of money.
One secret to good installation is to acclimate your peel and stick flooring in the room you will use them in.
Acclimation allows the tiles to adjust to their new temperature-controlled environment. This helps to prevent swelling and gapping between the tiles or planks.
Another secret is to lay out all your tiles in the space before you stick them down. We call this a dry layout.
This helps you to see if you have enough tiles and how to space your cuts that you'll need around the edges. We especially like it because it gives us a visual of how the tiles will look in the pattern that we're thinking of.
Another secret is to roll your tiles so their adhesive will bond to the floor.
The way that it's designed, the adhesive is for a horizontal installation.
Flat, horizontal, stuck to the floor.
Horizontal installation, and then you want to roll it with a big roller.
100-pound roller.
Or yourself.
Or your feet.
To make sure those tiles are stuck down and they are bonding with your subfloor and everything is fine. But you do want to have some type of mechanism that's going to like stick the tiles on the floor.
But the best kept secret,
you can grout these peel and stick tiles. Now you're creating a waterproof barrier. You are giving a whole new look and vibe, just like if you had ceramic or porcelain tiles installed. And you can really do some creative things
with your peel and stick. So if you decide to install peel and stick flooring on top of your existing vinyl flooring,
it's great.
It's meant to be an easy process.
We thank you so much for watching, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel.
And remember, you can DIY too. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.